Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Indy. Happy birthday to you. Happy, hooray! Happy, hooray! Happy birthday, beautiful. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah! She's one, guys. Happy Saturday. Happy birthday. She is one. She is one. So it's gonna be a chill but busy day today. Paano natin yan masasabi na chill but busy? Okay? Kasi gusto naming mag-chill lang sa bahay, hindi kami lalabas, pero I will be busy. Yay! Because gusto kong i-decorate ng konti yung bahay for her birthday. And then, may mga kailangan tayong gawin for tomorrow's birthday ganap ni Indy. No? Yes! Yeah! She's so happy. We woke up and lahat ng family nandun sa bed. Kinantahan namin siya na happy birthday and she's been really happy since this morning. No? Because you showered with a lot of love. And singing yun. Kumakanta siya, happy birthday to you. Sobrang saya niya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Indy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to my grandpa.
Eh! Oh!
Happy birthday in my grandpa.
Oh no!
Happy birthday in my grandpa.
Happy birthday, baby. My God, guys. She's not gonna be baby for long. Well, she's not a baby anymore. Toddler na siya, guys. You're toddler already, Balab.
Mom, I wanna watch TV.
You wanna watch TV? Okay. So, it's 10:20. Maya-maya lang, nandito na yun si Daddy with the cookies. Kasi nga, di ba, naka-order ako ng cookies. And then, mamayang 11, hala, malapit na, is i-deliver yung cupcakes. Tapos, mamayang hapon naman, ipipick up ko yung cake na gagawin ko for tomorrow nga. At saka, yung cake na isa-smash niya today. Are you gonna smash it, Candy? Oh, you look funny, Kois. Kakanap lang nito, guys. Nakanap siya ng mga 40 minutes. Ang aga ng nap niya, di ba? Eh? You look pretty. Kailangan ko palang mag-laundry. Nung napatulog ko kasi siya, nag-ready na ako para hindi na ako bumalik dun sa taas. So, hindi ko pa nababa yung laundry. Let's do laundry. Happy birthday to you. Oh, look at her smile. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
I got this for India.
Oh, you got flowers for Indy. Alright, she's on the high chair. Oy, wait, sa? Makaiyak naman tong isa. It's ate. She's got flowers for you, beautiful. Yeah. Aww. You can't have it though. You will eat it. Thank you, Daddy. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Ito yun, guys. Merong 3 designs. Yan. Yan, Daisy. And ito. Ang cute. Ang cute ng balloons. 2 kulay. Ang cute. O, diba? Na-push natin ang cookies. Thank you. Ang ganda. Ito yung banner, guys. Ang cute. Tapos, ayan, ang cute. I-arrange ko lang yung words. Tapos, lagay natin yung tali. Happy birthday. Yay! Kasi yung tali, wait. Ayun. Ano? Ano nga ulit itsura nito? Parang merong sa gitna ba to? Look, so pretty. You like? I think this is. Well, you can do it however you like. Go to Daddy, go to Daddy. Daddy. Go to Daddy, go. Say Daddy. I'm Indy. It's my birthday today. Oh no. Oh no. You're trying to help Mama?
Oh, can I help you, Mom?
Of course you can.
So let's put this where the holes are.
Happy's helping me.
Can I pause this?
Lagay namin dyan. Happy birthday. Wait, I need to adjust it first. Just wait. Yeah. Looks good. You like it? Ay, nandito na pala, guys. Wait, pakita ko maya. Time check, it's 2:01 ng hapon. Kakapatulog ko lang kay birthday girl, guys. Grand finals din pala ngayon. Footy grand finals, kaya ayaw lumabas nitong isa. So, kakasimula lang ng laro. Ito yung ginawa ko sa birthday corner ni Indy.
So what we're gonna do, we can take me and Ollie can be standing up, and then they gonna be in the middle.
In the middle, yeah, when we take the photos.
Cause then the birthday girl.
That's right, yes. Yan yung ginawa ko. So, itong mga balloons, meron din yung kasamang number 1 na balloon. Dito sa baba.
And Mom.
And ang cute, diba?
Big cake. And
I got her just a half cake.
What?
Because last time, bumili ako ng whole cake para dyan kay Ayla. Nasayang na naman. Tapos, chinek ko siya kung saan namin siya binili sa Cheesecake Factory. Or Cheesecake Shop ba yung tawag doon. Pwede pala bumili ng half. Pwede nga bumili ng quarter. So, sabi ko half na lang. Kasi tatlo sila. Yeah, sponge cake. A rainbow cake. A rainbow sponge cake. So, bumili ako nun. Tapos, bumili din ako ng naked cake na i-decorate ko mamaya. For bukas naman.
Mama, what's a naked cake?
So, na-ready ko na dito yung mga gagamitin ko para doon. Ito yun, guys. Indy is one. Ang cute, diba? Ganun. Ay, hala, gusto ko pala gawin yung nails ko. Actually, I'll do my nails now, Ayla, while waiting.
Yeah, we should.
Kasi alas 4 yung pick up ko ng cake. It's 2:03. Pwede kami umalis ni Ayla ng mga alas 3. So, I have an hour. Kasi, punta muna kaming grocery tapos i-pick up yung cake. So, I'll do my nails now. So, I've been doing my nails, guys. Ito na yung pangalawang kulay, actually, since I started doing it. Hindi siya yung press on. Ano naman to? Iba na naman to. Gel nails. Ako gumagawa. Pero I need to shape it same as this one kasi natanggal yan. Oh, tinanggal ko siya kasi nag-bubble up siya eh. So, tinanggal ko na lang. Ready na siya. Oh, alis kami ni ate. Where are we going?
Coles.
Coles, yeah. And the Cheesecake Shop.
Why are we going to the cheesecake shop?
Because we need to get the cakes. Let's
And
go.
Mom, do we see a toy?
Yeah.
Hello.
Can we have the shopping bag, please? Sorry, Ayla left it.
Yep.
Thank you. This is the Tear Waterism Glow Tint. Honey Nut yung shade. Ang cute, tas maliit lang.
Mom,
I'm into mini ones.
Mom, did we sing that so true?
Yep. Thank you, Daddy. Bye.
Mom, I was singing that so true.
We can, yeah.
Yes, sing it.
Are you okay? Are you cold? I'm cold.
Mama.
Turn the AC off. My car is cold. Alright, let's go.
Mom,
I think we will go to Kmart first.
Yeah, maybe Kmart.
Yeah.
Why?
There's an old person.
Where's the old person?
There, see?
What is he doing?
I'm not sure. But we're gonna be really slow. See? Can you see him? He's walking.
You can see him at the back now.
Yeah.
He's gone.
Yeah. I think he was trying to clean up the pebbles. Okay, Mart muna tayo saglit. Kasi may time pa tayo. Alright, cross. Cross. Good job, baby. Well done, beautiful. Go try.
Yes.
Hello. No, it's not moving. Doesn't move.
How me?
No, it won't move. Try. Nothing.
Oh, because there's nothing inside.
You have to grab something inside. Try. No, it won't move. Is that on sale? I think it's. How much is it? $3.
We can buy it.
Do I have $3? I don't think so. Kawawa to eh. Ang dami niyang gusto. Oh, babe, look.
What?
A Stitch one. A Stitch one. Maybe you can buy it for your friend. It's $4. I can add it to his present if you want.
Yeah, you can add it. What?
You choose which one. Or does it matter? I can just pick whatever. We can pick this. Bait-bait niya. Sabi ko, hindi tayo pwede bumili ha. Sabi niya, sige, tingin lang ako, mami. Wawa naman itong batang to.
Whoa. I want to.
Alright, which one do you want for your birthday? That one?
This one.
Okay.
And this one's for Alexander.
Yeah. Sabi namin, pipicturean namin yung mga gusto niya sa birthday niya.
Something. The one in this one, there, take it.
Okay.
I miss you so much.
Oh, baby. Okay.
You have to stay there, and no one will get you. Okay, make sure no one gets you. Whoa, that looks really cool, Mom. That even scared me when you got it.
Okay. Tingnan namin dito sa clearance, guys. Size ni Indy. Wala na, mga maliliit na to. Ay, ang cute naman ito. Magkano? Disney to, oh. Simba. How much? Oh, $4. That's cute. Ang cute niyan. Green lang. 6 to 12. Wala na. 12 to 18 na si Indy. Ito, oh. Tag $2 na lang. What did you find? Oh, ayun, nasa baba. 12 to 18 months. She's 12 to 18.
19.
These are long sleeves. We need short sleeve for her
There
now.
needs to be 18 on it. 18.
Yeah, but it has to be short sleeve. Tapos kailangan ko din pigilan yung aking sarili kasi sinabi ko sa mga tao na damit yung irigalo kay Indy. So dapat mamili after ng birthday. That's cute. Let's look here. Come here. Ano pa dito? Wala na nga. Huwag na nga bumili kasi baka irigalo sa'yo. Mahirapan ka pa magbalik. Yes? Coles tayo, guys. Tapos punta tayong Liquorland after.
There's a pink one.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, yeah. Binilhan ko, guys. Naaawa ako sa sobrang bait. We need 3. Asan na yung? Ay, ayun. Bakit kayo nakatalikod? Bili na lang tayo ng 2.
Mom, wait. You're ready to take. Mom.
4, 3. Huh?
Look. See, Mike's ready to take.
Yeah. Naawa ako sa kanya dun. Kasi sabi niya, Mami, ito picturean mo. Ang dami na niyang pinapapicturean sa akin. Sabi ko, pili ka ng isa, Bob. Kakaawa ka naman. Dito na kami sa Liquorland. Hinahanap ko yung Moscato na masarap. Yung sparkling Moscato na masarap na mura lang. Asa na yun? Where are their Moscatos? Is it here? Here, Whispers. This one. Where? That's not Moscato. Right, come here. It's here in the fridge. It's 4:05. Yung pick up ko ng cake is alas 4.
Mom,
So,
check how tart it is.
for sure
This
ready
one's
na yan.
really tart.
I was busy. Saturday afternoon shops are busy.
Melody dropped you this near. I see it's open. The light's on.
So last stop is the cake shop.
And
And then hopefully Brisbane won kasi yan yung gustong manalo niya. So Geelong at saka Brisbane yung ano.
I believe Brisbane.
Nasa finals. What team are we going for the finals?
Brisbane.
Brisbane.
Go Brisbane.
Go Brisbane.
Do you like the song of Brisbane? Do you like the song of Brisbane, Mom?
I don't really know their song, baby. Do you know their song?
I know the Crows one.
The Crows one? Okay, sige daw. Sing the Crows one.
I don't remember the words.
How about the Port Power one?
Can you put the Port Power?
We got the power for Port.
It's more than a sport. It's a trip.
For the tradition.
I gotta stop.
Till we top.
It's the
history here in the making.
I got
The power to win.
Then ever begins. On the flag is out.
Politician.
Power!
That's it.
Do you like the dog one or the hedgehog?
They're both really cute. I really like the doggy one, so cute. Binili ko guys, $3 lang kasi dito na kami oh. Ayan, pick up na natin. Let's go there.
Yeah.
Should we just leave the camera here and go inside? Dito na yung cake natin, guys. So I ordered again one naked cake.
The dress!
The dress, what dress?
The one I'm going to wear today!
That's not today, it's tomorrow. This one.
Then I wanted to wear the curly rutty things.
The what?
The one I can show everyone with my belly button. The one I can show everyone with my belly button.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. Should we smash the cakes all the same time, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
And our hands will be so messy. Should I do it today or tomorrow? Today, tomorrow.
Tonight.
Mom, why did we order 2 cakes?
One for tonight, one for tomorrow. Oh my gosh, slow down, raise your cake. Your cake, girl. Miss na miss ako. Umiyak talaga. Nakita niya ako talaga. Sabi niya talaga, miss na miss ko talaga ang aking mami. Grabe naman talaga. Bumili ako nito, guys. Edible siya. Chocolate coated na ano, may sprinkles. Oh, sprinkles or ang tawag? Hundreds and thousands. Bumili akong 4 na muscato. And alam niyo ba, nakalimutan ko bumili ng soft drinks. Yun yung bili ni Dan. Bumili ka ng soft drinks kasi may bisita tayo. Paano na? Puro muscato yan. Tigdadalawa lang. Kasi kung kaya ko yung isang box, sana binili ko yung isang box. Ang mura lang nito. It's only like $6 a piece. And then, 2 milk ni Inka. Tapos, outfit ni Ayla. O, diba? Bumili ng outfit para sa birthday ng kanyang classmate. Oh, yeah. We got Indy a toy.
Yeah,
Yeah, get it.
Can I go down?
Grab it, yeah.
Is there any glass in there?
So, stitch na. Top at saka stitch na set. For ate.
You love it?
Oh, it's Indy's. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's a baby. Show Dada. You like it? Baby, it's you. Happy birthday, Indy. Show Dada. Tapos yung pagdagdag natin sa regalo. And look at this. $2. $2 na lang, guys. Size 6 to 12 months, pero para kasi malaki. So,
Mommy, which one
for
are you?
Indy. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ah, makatapon ka man. Tapos na yung kumain, guys. Alam nyo bang si Dan umalis para kumuha ng takeaway? Hindi na talaga siya makahintay. So, pinakain ko ng rice at saka nilaga. But, we ordered from Seoul Express at saka Decorso ata. Kasi gusto ni Dan mag-pizza. Pero yung amin, beef rib soup from Seoul Express, chicken. Tapos nag-order si Dan ng garlic bread at saka pizza nga. So, kain tayo. Ayoko siyang pakainin ng marami kasi gusto ko nga siyang pakainin ng cake niya. Yeah, smash cake ba? Yummy? Chicken, oh.
Mama,
Yeah?
maybe we should cut the cake in. We should cut the cake in 3 pieces and then we just smash it together.
Okay.
And she looks so pretty. Oh my god, she's smiling. Let me take a photo. Cheese. Oh my god, she looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you okay? Yeah, God. Oh my god. You beat. Dear. I don't know if it looks like dear. I need to see it. What did you do? What did you do?
Watch out, baby, behind you, Ali. Come down, Ali, because she's trying to walk with a chair.
She's trying to walk. Now, Mommy, these are
It's time to sing happy birthday to you.
Can I see the
That's
cat?
it.
You can see the cake, but wait, just wait. I need to put it
Mommy,
there.
I love it. I want it now.
Where's your white squishy, Ali?
Just wait, just wait. Where's the number one?
Of course you want to know.
Just wait.
Oh, yummy.
I want to eat that. I want to eat that. It's my chocolate. I'm eating it. I'm eating it. I'm eating it. I'm eating it. I like it.
You're the one coughing. But look, I got something in my back pocket. You can get it out. Fix it first.
Why the tree? No.
Not yet. Can we sing happy birthday first?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Indy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hooray. Hip hooray.
2. Are you three? Are you 0?
Okay, blow the candles out, guys.
Stop.
Come on, Ali. Was that the candles? Okay.
1, 2,
Ali,
Indy!
look at the camera. Ali, look at the camera. Ali, get closer.
Indy! Oh, she's so cute. Indy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Indy.
Happy birthday, Indy! Ah!
Oh, oh, Indy.
Ah, that's cute! Good job, Ayla. That was good.
Indy, make a laugh, Ali. Okay. Quick.
Aww.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Take these candles out.
Okay, you can.
Can you cut it off?
You can Happy birthday, beautiful!
Can you cut it off?
Happy birthday! You won! You like it? You can have it. Smash it. Yeah, it's yours.
Ali, can I just take a bit, a little bit?
Good job.
It's making a mess.
Oh, hey.
my gosh! Alo, stay! Oh my gosh, Dandre!
Don't go me!
The mess! Oh my goodness!
Get on it, get on it! Get on it, get on it, get on it!
Nagwawala na yung isa doon. Ay, ang galing.
Is it done?
It's done.
With this one.
This one we can.
I'm putting it on, Mommy, okay?
Wait. Alo, careful, Mac.